how much should you actually spend on Puma Suede men's sneakers? It's interesting, right? Some folks are totally happy with cheaper options while others swear by the pricier ones. But are they actually worth the cash? Let's break it down. Product number 1, Underdogs Lace-Up Sneakers. First up, we have the Puma Underdogs Lace-Up Sneakers. Priced at $64.95, these shoes grabbed my attention right away with their full suede upper. If you want a casual sneaker that blends style and comfort, this is worth a serious look. So here's why these sneakers stand out. The full suede upper not only gives them a classic look, but it also feels soft against your skin. The Comfort Sock Liner provides that instant cushioning you need for daily wear, which means you can walk around all day without feeling sore. With a rubber midsole and outsole, you get solid grip and traction, making them perfect for outside adventures. These sneakers have earned a solid 4.6-star rating from 873 reviews, so people clearly love them. Here's why this matters for you specifically. That comfort lining and traction can really save your feet during long walks. Now, some people mentioned that the sizing felt a bit off. Here's the thing though, if you're aware of this and maybe size up a bit, it's really not a deal breaker. Most users still find them super comfy and stylish. This is perfect for you if you want an everyday sneaker that looks good and feels great. Skip this one if you need something more structured for sports. Overall, it's a solid value for money. Now, if the sizing concern bothered you, the next one might actually be a better fit for everyday use. Product number 2, Astro Kick Sneakers. Next up, let's talk about the Puma Astro Kick Lace-Up Sneakers. At just $44.95, these are a budget-friendly option that still delivers style. If you're after something that doesn't break the bank but still looks great, this one's for you. The combination of suede and synthetic leather in these kicks means they're not only stylish but also durable. The bold branded tongue really pops, and the contrast Puma form strip at the sides gives it that classic sporty vibe. Weighing in at only 11.8 ounces, they're lightweight, which is fantastic for all-day wear. With a 4.5-star rating from 1,500 reviews, it's clear that these have found their fans. Here's why this matters for you. Lighter shoes can help reduce fatigue during long days out. However, some users found the arch support lacking. Here's the thing though, if you're just looking for casual wear and not intense workouts, this shouldn't be a deal breaker for you. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish sneaker that's easy on the wallet. Skip this one if you have specific needs for arch support. You really can't beat the price for the style you get here. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want extra comfort. Product number 3, Suede XL Shoes. Now let's check out the Puma Suede XL shoes priced at $74.95. Right off the bat, they look sleek and modern. If you're looking for something that offers a touch of elegance while staying casual, you might want to consider these. These shoes feature a suede upper with a leather form strip which not only enhances durability, but also adds a layer of sophistication. The mesh lining and sock liner provide breathability, which is key for keeping your feet comfy, especially in warmer weather. They also have a solid 4.3-star rating from 266 reviews, showing that many buyers appreciate their style and comfort. Here's why this matters for you. That breathability means you can wear them longer without your feet feeling stuffy. One downside is that they may take some time to break in, according to a few reviews. Here's the thing though, once you get through that break-in period, they're likely to be incredibly comfortable. This is perfect for you if you want a sneaker that can transition from casual outings to slightly dressier events. Skip this one if you need something ready to wear right out of the box. They're worth the investment for their long-term comfort. If the break-in time concerns you, the next pair is designed to be comfortable right away. Product number 4, another Suede XL option. The next pair is another version of the Puma Suede XL shoes, but priced at $68.95. They share a lot of similarities with the previous pair but offer a slightly different feel. If you want a more budget-friendly alternative that still feels premium, this might catch your eye. Similar to the other Suede XL option, these also feature a suede upper and leather form strip, ensuring durability and style. The mesh tongue and lining add to the breathability factor, making these shoes a great pick for warmer days. With the same 4.3-star rating, it just shows how consistent Puma is with their quality. Here's why this matters for you. The breathable material means you can wear them without worrying about overheating. However, some reviewers mentioned that they run a bit narrow. Here's the thing, though, if you're used to a snug fit, you might actually like this feel, but it could be a deal breaker for those with wider feet. This is perfect for you if you want a classic sneaker with a modern touch. Skip this one if you have wider feet or prefer a roomier fit. Still a solid value for the quality you're getting. Now, if you're looking for the ultimate in style and comfort, the last sneaker on my list might just be the answer. Product number 5, Premium Suede XL Shoes. Finally, we have the Puma Premium Suede XL shoes priced at $74.95. These are a step up in terms of craftsmanship and style. If you want something that stands out while still being incredibly comfy, these are worth your attention. These shoes boast a high-quality suede upper and a debossed Puma branding that adds a touch of luxury. The mesh lining keeps your feet cool, and the cushioning is top-notch, which means you can wear these all day without discomfort. The same 4.3-star rating shows they're consistently well-received by users. Here's why this matters for you. That emphasis on comfort and style means you get a lot of wear out of them both casually and in slightly dressier situations. On the flip side, some users said they scuff easily, which can be frustrating. Here's the thing, though, if you take care of them, they'll serve you well for a long time. This is perfect for you if you want a sneaker that balances luxury and everyday wear. Skip this one if you're hard on your shoes or need something ultra-durable. They're a good investment for how good they look and feel. That wraps up our list of the best Puma Suede men's sneakers. Each of these options has something special to offer, whether you're on a budget or looking for something more premium. So to recap, we've looked at the Puma underdogs for casual comfort, the budget-friendly Astro Kick, the stylish Suede XL options, and finally the luxurious Premium XL. Each shoe has its strengths, so it really depends on what you're after. Whether it's style, comfort, or price, there's a perfect Puma sneaker waiting for you.